Hello guys, I have a 2013 Mazda CX-5 and it has a little problem. It also gives a code P0171 for system 2 lean bank 1. And also if you see the RPM is going down and up and acting crazy like that. And I'll show you the engine. The engine is shaking and it seems like it has a misfire or something. So usually the lean condition actually goes to the mass airflow sensor, or there is a leak in your vacuum line. So I checked the vacuum lines, everything. I earlier took off the whole area over here, which is the intake area, the intake manifold and everything. I couldn't find any leaks over here. So what I did, I did a lot of tries over here, but what I did over here, this is a mass airflow sensor over here. So I was just trying to check if this one is good. So you push this over here, let's see what. But now it is actually running normal when I unplug this. And if the mass airflow sensor is actually working, when you unplug it, the car should stop running. And then when I plug it again, see, it actually turned off. So I think it's the mass airflow sensor. I actually bought a new mass airflow sensor. Let me change it over here and see if it makes any difference. Yeah. So it is the 2 screws. We're gonna unscrew it. So this is how it looks. Mass airflow sensor. I tried to clean it with a carbon cleaner. I tried everything, it didn't work, so I had to buy a new one from Amazon. So you can see it over here. It looks kind of same. Put it over here. And just screw it back. Oops. Now we're gonna plug it. Click. Just turn it on. And it is fixed. So the mass airflow sensor, because we unplugged the mass airflow sensor and we did not unplug the battery, so it gave us a check engine for the mass airflow. And if you clear that code, it should be fine. Now the RPM is good too. Thank you.